If your team works with P&IDs, chances are you already use Bluebeam Studio. And if you use Bluebeam, you already know the next step after reviewing a P&ID is almost always the same. Someone opens Excel and then starts manually typing line numbers, instrument tags, and equipment details. That gap between PDF drawings and structured Excel data is where most engineering time is lost. Today, I want to show you how PID to Excel closes that gap using our new Bluebeam Studio integration, and how this enables real, practical Excel automation for P&IDs. Let's be honest, P&IDs were never designed to be data sources. They're drawings, visual, dense, and packed with information. But downstream workflows need data: cost estimation, line lists, instrument indexes, and equipment summaries. Most teams solve this by copying from PDFs, rebuilding lists in Excel, and rechecking everything manually. Even with Bluebeam markups, the output is still a PDF, not structured data. This is why engineering automation has become important recently. Not automation for automation's sake, but automation that removes repetitive engineering work. The goal of the PID to Excel Bluebeam integration is simple: extract structured data automatically, get clean Excel outputs, push results back as a revision. No renaming versions or breaking your audit trail. And the key thing to understand is, this isn't just a PDF converter. This is engineering data extraction with Excel automation built in. Let's walk through the workflow. Step 1. Visit the integration page by going to pidtoexcel.com/Bluebeam. Step 2. Sign in using your Bluebeam Studio account. Step 3. Once logged in, select your Bluebeam Studio project from the dropdown. Then select the PID PDF you want to process. Click Download. Just below, you'll see an upload form. Upload the same file and enter your details. At this point, you're done. No configuration, no templates, no Excel setup. Step 6. Wait for deliverables. PID to Excel processes the PID and generates an annotated PDF as well as Excel deliverables, including the line list, instrument list, and equipment list created from it. This is where Excel automation actually happens: structured engineering data generated directly from drawings. Instead of rebuilding data manually, you now have Excel sheets you can filter, validate, share, and import into other tools. And importantly, these Excel files still trace back to the original PID. You haven't broken your document flow. This is especially useful for cost estimation, early-stage MTOs, vendor package reviews, project controls. Once you receive the results, go back to the Bluebeam integration page. Now click Upload Revision. PID to Excel uploads the processed PDF back into Bluebeam Studio as a new revision. Your team stays in one environment, your revision history stays intact, and your Excel data stays usable. A lot of tools talk about automation. This integration focuses on reducing manual effort, preserving engineering intent, and producing usable Excel outputs, not just files. That's what Excel automation should mean in engineering: less rework, fewer errors, faster decisions. If you're already using Bluebeam Studio and still rebuilding PID data in Excel by hand, this integration is built for you. Visit pidtoexcel.com/Bluebeam and digitize your PIDs automatically.